little fish so blue in the ocean. There's so much to do. Dolphins leap and play with glee, splashing waves for all to see. Octopus with arms so long, changing colors, singing a song. Starfish crawl on ocean floor, five-armed friends we all adore.
Jellyfish float and gently sway, tentacles dance in a graceful way. Seahorses bobbing up and down, tiny horses without a frown. Crabs scuttle across the sand, sideways walking, isn't it grand? Lobsters hide in rocky caves, safe from predators and waves.
Whales sing their mighty song, echoing notes so deep and strong. Seals bark and clap with joy, like a happy aquatic toy.
Turtles glide with flippers wide, carrying shells upon their ride. Sharks swim fast with pointed fins, exploring reefs and ocean rims.
Clownfish hide in anemones, bright orange stripes for all to see. Angelfish with colors so bright, swimming gracefully day and night.
Pufferfish inflate with air, a spiky ball beyond compare. Eels slither through coral reefs, searching for tasty ocean treats.
Rays glide like underwater kites, flat and smooth were wondrous sights. Swordfish slice through waters blue, with pointy noses sharp and true.
Manatees, gentle giants so sweet, munching seagrass for a treat. Narwhals with their twisted tusk, swimming free from dawn to dusk.
Hermit crabs in borrowed shells, moving homes where safety dwells. Sea lions bark and love to play, diving deep throughout the day. Penguins waddle on the shore, then swim with grace we all adore. Walruses with tusks so long, lounging where they feel they belong.
Barnacles stick to rocks so tight, filtering food both day and night. Oysters make their pearls so round, treasures waiting to be found.
Squid squirt ink when feeling scared, tentacles waving, always prepared. Coral polyps build their homes, creating reefs where sea life roams. In the ocean, big and small, there's room for creatures, one and all. From the surface to the deep, wondrous life for us to keep.
Doodle bees. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.